So let's talk about the meet operator with Boolean matrices. So let's say, for instance, that I had a matrix A and I had a matrix B, and I wanted to do the meet operation between them. The only way that I can do this is if they are the exact same size. So this, if A is a 3 by 2, B is also going to have to be a 3 by 2. And then that means that the answer is going to be a 3 by 2 matrix. So let's see if we can get A, which is a 3 by 2. And it is a Boolean matrix, which means it can only contain 1s and 0s. So if I say 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 is A, and then I have a 3 by 2 matrix B, which is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and I want to do the meet between them, that means that the answer is also going to be a 3 by 2. So let's lay out some positional values. This would be row 1, column 1. This would be 1, 2. This would be 2, 1, 2, 2. Column 3, row 3, column 1. Row 3, column 2. All right, so the way that I'm going to find a specific value, for instance, this 1, 1, is that I'm going to take the 1, 1 value from A, and I'm going to take the 1, 1 value from B, and I am going to do a meet operation, which is a logical AND. So let's see if we can find the 1, 1 value from A is 1, and the 1, 1 value from B is 1, and I'm going to do a logical AND. Well, 1 and 1 is 1. So let's see if we can find A for, how about if we pick another one? How about if we pick 2, 2? So let's try A, 2, 2 and B, 2, 2. Well, A, 2, 2 is a 0. B, 2, 2 is a 0, so I'm going to do 0 and 0, which is 0. All right, so let's put our answer right here. From here we decided that 1, 1 element is 1. We decided that the 2, 2 element is 0. Let's do another one. How about if I wanted to find 3, 2? Well, I'm going to take A, 3, 2, and I'm going to do an AND with B, 3, 2. Well, A2 is a 1. A, 3, 2 is a 1, B, 3, 2 is a 1, so I'm ended up doing a 1, and a 1 is going to give me a 1, so this value right here will be a 1. So let's do the remaining 3. So if we do A1, 2 and B1, 2, we get 1 and 1 is a 1. So I'm going to put the 1 right here. If I do the A2, 1 and B2, 1, we're going to have 1 and 0 is 0. So I'll put the 0 right here. The last and the final one is position 3.1, which is, or position 3.1, which is going to give me a 0 and a 0, so that will also be a 0. So this is going to be the answer, which is a 3 by 2, the same value as the same size as my A and my B matrix. So the reason why they have to be the exact same size is because I'm going to use the AND operator on the corresponding elements in the two matrices.